The Haitian Creole saying Kreyòl parler, Kreyòl Konprann means what you said is clear, straightforward, and easy to understand. This proverb is similar to the English expression spoken in plain English, or in layman's terms. And now for some examples.
Mwen men liv sa oui, li pa gen trop gros mots. Kreyòl parler, Kreyòl konprann.
Mi se te bien expliqué comment pour me te remplir forme nan, oui? Kreyòl parler, Kreyòl konprann.
Try this. Next time you hear someone say something clear and simple in Haitian Creole, go ahead and use the saying Kreyòl parler, Kreyòl konprann. It's a good way to compliment someone because it means he or she is a good communicator. For more lessons like this, visit howtocreole.com, subscribe. Thanks for watching.